Spain, Europe trip. I don't know if that made any type of sense, but I'm going to Spain for a month and I'm super excited. I'm so excited to leave Miami because every single summer I leave Miami. I've never stayed here like a full summer. I mean, I probably have, but when I was very young. I love traveling during the summer. Like, being in Miami during the summer is the most depressing thing ever. It's so hot, there's literally nothing to do. I'm sure a lot of tourists love coming here, but as a local, you know, we have it all year round. We have the warmth all year round, and I'm just craving Spain. Like, I need to go back to my country. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Spain, so I'm super excited to go visit my family and just be in my country where I'm from, where all my family and my origins and my blood are from. You know, I'm craving it, I miss it. And I went last year to Mallorca, I vlogged that, and I'm just gonna be taking you guys along my summer vacation with my family, and I'm gonna vlog everything. I'm so excited. So basically I leave tomorrow and I haven't started packing at all. These suitcases are empty and I haven't packed a single thing. So we actually have to get our things started because this is extremely stressful, and the last thing that I need is to either forget something or not pack everything that I need. Like, I'm not gonna deal with that. So basically this is my big suitcase. So if you guys don't know, I have the big suitcase for this, but it's smaller, like it's like a medium size. It's not like a large size like this one. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So that's why I don't use it. So this is actually my dad's suitcase, but I'm just gonna steal it. So this is gonna be my big suitcase, and it's actually very like spacious. So I'm gonna try my hardest to fit everything in this luggage. Now, I really don't want to take this small luggage just because I'm going to the north of Spain first, and then we're renting a car and we're gonna make our way down to Barcelona. Like, we're gonna do like a little road trip for like a couple of days. We're gonna go from city to city. And the cars in Spain, if you guys don't know, they're like very small. Like, here in the US, you have like an SUV, like a Chevrolet, like G-Wagon, like all these big cars that like fit all these things. In Spain, like, it's very small cars. There's not a lot of space, and keep in mind it's my mom, my brother, then we're gonna meet up with my cousin and my aunt. So like, all those luggages in the car are not gonna fit, or it's gonna be very hard to fit everything, and we're gonna be very like cluttered. So I want to try my best to only bring one suitcase, but I'm just a girl, so if I'm just a girl, I'm gonna pack everything that I need. So if I feel like there's not enough space for all my shoes and my purses and my clothes and my skincare and makeup, like, I'm gonna bring the other one. Like, I don't care. That's why I have it for just in case, but I'm actually gonna try my best to only bring one suitcase. Usually I go to Spain for like 2 months or like 2 months and a half. Like, usually I'm there the whole entire summer. As soon as I end my classes, I go, and then I come back right before they start. But this summer we decided to take it a little bit lighter, so we're only gonna be there for like 3 weeks and a half. So basically a month, but not fully a month. It's very hard as a girl only having one suitcase, but I actually want to try my best. Like, we're gonna make this a little challenge and see what we could do. And if I fit everything in here, then I'm gonna be extremely proud of myself. I actually feel like I could do it because I'm actually gonna be very mindful with what I bring. I'm not just gonna bring like random things. I'm actually gonna think about like pieces and like what could match with what, and like colors, like basics. I want to pack a lot of basics and stuff. Also for shoes, I'm not gonna bring many shoes. Like, I actually don't even like my shoes. Like, I'm going through a little phase where I don't like any of my shoes and I want to like redo my whole shoe collection. So I'm actually only gonna bring like 2 sneakers and like 2 heels. That's it. Like, I'll show you guys what I bring, but let's get on with packing because now I'm just rambling and I'm getting extremely stressed because I have a lot of things to do today besides packing, and I'm leaving tomorrow morning. So let's get started. Okay, so now for shoes, I have to pick which shoes I want to bring, and I want to bring the minimum as possible. So basically, I have 2 pairs of heels. I have these black ones and these white ones, which I'm going to bring both because I love them. And then I have these sandals, which could also be extremely cute. And then I have these sandals. So I don't know if bringing these 4 are way too much. Like, I don't know if that's doing too much. I don't know if I should only bring like either these sandals or these heels, and either these sandals or these heels, if that makes sense. But for the beach and just to like stay home and stuff, I love bringing these slides. They're super cute and comfortable. I wear these like to go to the beach, just to walk around the hotel room or whatever. Like, they're amazing. So I'm definitely bringing these. For sneakers, I'm 100% bringing these Reebok. I love them. They're like my daily everyday shoes, and I just cleaned them so they're nice and ready for me. But then I don't know if I should bring a pair of Dunks, because as you guys know, I have a lot of Dunks. I have these light pink ones. I have these, which I actually want to sell, so if you're interested, let me know. I have my Pandas, which I really don't want to bring. I have these green ones. I have blue ones inside of here that I'm trying to sell as well. So I don't know what shoes to bring. And also, I don't know if I should bring these, because these are kind of cute, but these are like running shoes, so I don't know if I should bring these. Like, for some reason, I really want to bring both heels and both sandals, but I don't know if that's doing too much. For sneakers, for some reason, I only want to bring these, but like, I'm not only going to bring one pair of sneakers. Like, I feel like that's crazy. I'm going to be walking a lot. And even though these sneakers are super comfortable, I don't know if I should only bring these or another pair. I don't know what to do, but I also want to buy a pair of sneakers there. So I don't know if I should only bring these and then just like buy a pair there, or bring 2 pairs of sneakers. But I don't know which ones I want to bring. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm definitely going to bring the black heel, because for going out, like, these black heels are going to be amazing. I'm definitely going to bring these because I have like an outfit planned with these. So these are coming with me for sure. And then I also want to bring these white heels because they're super comfortable. I was just wearing them around my house right now to kind of like break them in because they're new. I've never worn them out. And they're actually very comfortable. And they don't have like a thing in the back, so it's not going to like give me blisters or anything. They're very comfortable and like lightweight, which is really important. And I love them. They're super cute. So I definitely want to bring these as well. And I feel like heels don't take as much space. Like, if you put them correctly, I feel like they're fine. Part of me really wants to bring these, but the thing with these is that they're very heavy, so like every time you walk, like, you feel like you have like a weight on your foot. They're really heavy, so I don't like them for that reason. But then these, like, I don't love them. Like, to me, they're kind of ugly, so I don't know what to do. Honestly, I think I'm gonna bring these, and that's about it. I don't know if I should bring another pair of sneakers besides the Reebok, because I really love the Reebok, and they're like the only sneakers that I really love, and they match with literally everything. Like, they're literally perfect for every single outfit. And I must say that every single piece of clothing that I packed is either white or black. I did not pack a single color, so that's a problem. As you can see, most of my closet, like, there's not really much color. Like, we have some pink right here, but I don't like those tops. And then brown, like, I don't want to wear brown. Like, I don't have color in my closet. I need to go shopping, and I feel like I'm always shopping, but for some reason I'm always buying the same like kind of thing. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm very excited because in Barcelona I'm gonna buy so much stuff. Like, in Spain I'm gonna buy a lot of things, and I want to like take you guys shopping with me because like the style in Spain is like so beautiful. All right, so these are the 5 shoes that I'm planning on bringing because I honestly don't love anything else, and these are like the things that I feel like I will wear the most. So I'm gonna obviously bring the Reebok like on the plane. Like, I'm gonna have these on me, so basically I only have to pack the 2 heels, the sandals, and the slides. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna bring any other sneakers, but I might. I'm gonna see like how everything fits. I need to put all my clothes in my suitcase. These are all my tops that I'm packing. As you can see, it's literally all either white, black, or cream. Like, there's not a single color in here, which is very concerning, but that's literally all I have. And then here I have a pair of long pants and then like a bunch of shorts because it's gonna be really hot, so definitely want to wear some shorts. And I have a skirt right here. This is the pajama that I will be bringing because I'm going to be able to do laundry, so I'm only going to bring 1 pair. And then this is what I'm going to wear on the airplane. I got my socks. For bikinis, I'm having a really hard time choosing like which ones I want to bring. I have 10 laid out right here, but I don't know if I'm going to bring all 10 because I feel like 10 bikinis is crazy. So I want to like try them on and see which ones I like and then decide which ones I will bring. But these are the options for the bikinis. I really don't like any of my bikinis. Like, I don't like them at all. I feel like I always get bored and tired of like prints and stuff. So I'm very much of like a basic person. I don't like too many colors and too many prints because I don't know, I feel like you get tired at one point. Like, basics just go well with everything. So I obviously do have like a white and a black bikini, but besides that, everything else is just doing too much for me and I don't like it. So I'm gonna try to find very like timeless and like staple bikinis in Spain that will last me years, because I'm just not messing with these bikinis. And I don't know what to do with them because they're literally brand new. Like, I don't have the tag on them because I wore them like once or twice, but that's about it. So I definitely don't want to like just give them away, but I definitely want to buy more bikinis when I'm in Spain because the bikinis in Spain are beautiful. And I don't know, I want to find like timeless, like very basic but like cute, unique bikinis that scream like Europe and Spain and that aren't like doing too much, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I definitely have to choose which ones I want to bring, but I definitely don't want to bring 10 because I feel like that's way too many, and if I'm gonna buy, I don't want to have like 20 bikinis on me. So we'll see what I end up doing. I have to make a lot of decisions.